Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you some of my ADHD cleaning hacks for when you are feeling super overwhelmed. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite cleaning hacks, and I'm going to tell you about them before I actually show you. Okay, so the two top things I do that are the most helpful for me are, first of all, I set a timer. Even if it's just 5-10 minutes, because sometimes it's just like the getting going that's hard. So if I set a timer, sometimes I'm like, okay, if I want to keep going once the timer goes off, I can. But if I want to stop, that's okay too. I at least got up and did something. So I'm going to show you that. And then another thing I do, I'll show you in the clip. But basically, I take everything and this works especially well when I'm cleaning like my bedroom. I'll take everything that's on the floor and put it on my bed and then sort and put it away and put everything where it goes. So I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm just going to set a 10-minute timer and I'm going to just pick up and clean and kind of show you what I do. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer.
Good afternoon, Katelyn. 10 minutes, starting now. By the way, time goes faster with music on.
Alexa, stop. But if you are in a partnership, it is a partnership. Okay, so I took a couple extra minutes and just kind of finishing. I very sloppily made my bed. It's fine, but everything is off the floor over here. Everything is off the floor over here. I do have some things back here, some boxes and things that need to be broke down. I need to go get my blanket basket so I can put all my blankets in the blanket basket. But I have a pile of blankets that need to go in the basket. They were on my couch, but then I was filming. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing, guys. But anyway, that is how I clean with ADHD. It is one of the best things I found. I've actually taught some kids this, and they found it to be helpful for them. But if this can be helpful for you, great. I hope it is, because it's been very helpful for me when I'm feeling overwhelmed. Yeah, do you see that pile of boxes back there? Need to be taken care of. But anyway, I hope you guys found this helpful. I struggled for a long time with doing certain things with ADHD. So if I can share some things I've learned, some things that work for me, great.